Hi everyone, it's Claire, and today we're going to be doing another video about what to wear with a high-waisted skirt. So for my first outfit, I decided to pair a romantic high-waisted black skirt with some polka dot tights and a cardigan and a cream-colored t-shirt. So this is a very simple but also classic look, and it's very romantic because the high-waisted skirt has ruffles and it can also help you define your waist. And paired with the tights and the black boots, I just think it makes a very feminine look. For my next outfit, I made it a little bit more of an edgy and creative look, so pairing that same romantic ruffle skirt with the tights, and this time I paired them with Converse, which I think makes the look a little bit more casual and edgier. And then with that, there is a design on the back of the cardigan to add some detail and some interest, and then the actual crop top itself is a patterned black and white top, which also adds some more creative detail. For the third one, this is a relatively simple look, so it has the same bottom of the high-waisted skirt, the tights, and the Converse, but on top I wore a long sleeve shirt, which is actually a striped shirt from Gap. And then just to add a little bit of pattern and more interest, I added the scarf, which is a patterned black and white as well. So this is also pretty romantic, but very casual at the same time, very simple and put together. If you wanted, you could actually replace the scarf with a long dangling necklace, and that makes it even more simple. And then you can also replace the tights with some sandals and just go out if it's a little bit warmer weather. For the next outfit, I paired the high-waisted black skirt with some black tights and sandals and just a nice simple crop top and a gray cardigan. So this is just showing you that you can pair different colors, and you can pair the neutrals with a pop of color. And then definitely the high-waisted skirt works for a variety of situations. So for example, you can take the cardigan off if it is a warmer day, and you can put a scarf around or another necklace for some detail, or you can just pair the crop top with the high-waisted skirt and wear it on a warmer day, and it will still look really nice. So for my next outfit, I went for a sportier look. So pairing that same crop top with a skater skirt instead of the longer romantic ruffle skirt, and still with the tights. This is a really great look for going to the park or just going out to hang out with your friends or just being active during the day running errands. My next outfit is a very casual feminine look, so we still have the skater skirt paired with the tights, and this time I just added a flowy top that is actually tight around the waist so it defines your waist, and some nice wedge sandals with a heel. You can also add a nice simple beaded necklace to the look, and I also thought that this bag really went well with the outfit as a whole. For my next look, we have a little bit of a trendy outfit with that skater skirt. So this time I am wearing a cold shoulder top with the cardigan that has a very nice design in the back. And with that, I paired a long dangling necklace and the wedged heels as well. So you can wear that with or without the cardigan depending on the weather. So for my last outfit, I have another edgy look. So with that ruffle skirt, I paired it with some faux leather leggings, a striped black and white tank, and this honey colored cardigan. And with that, the Converse at the bottom really do define that edgy look, and it's a great way to show some personality. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye!